Hi guys, we are going to go over your vocab words for the week. As usual, you have 5 words, and you've heard quite a few of these words, and we learned about 2 of them last week. So I think that you'll do pretty well this week. Let's get started. Your first word is the word plot, and the plot of a story is the main storyline or the pattern of events. The next word is the word compare. And it means to find similarities or differences. So we've heard this word before. We've also had it as a vocab word before. So this is just more practice. And your next word is the word contrast. So the words compare and contrast usually go hand in hand, or when you hear one, you might hear the other as well. So if you're contrasting something, or if 2 things contrast, it means to largely differ. You might not know what differ means, but what does differ sound like? Or can you think of a word that has differ in it? Well, the word I am thinking of is the word different. So if things largely differ, then they are very different. The next word is the word first-hand account, and this is the first word that I was talking about that we learned about last week. So a first-hand account is something that's coming from the original source. So if you were listening to a story about Rosa Parks, then the story that you were reading, if it was a first-hand account, it would have been written by Rosa Parks, or it came right from Rosa Parks. The next word is the word second-hand account, and that means it's written by someone with knowledge about an event or a topic, but they didn't experience it. So if I was going to relate this to the first-hand account example I just talked about, I could say that someone wrote a story about Rosa Parks. So they had knowledge about Rosa Parks and what she went through, but they weren't there to experience it. They probably had to do a lot of research to be able to write about that topic. So now that you have heard all of your words, you're going to log out of here and log on to Spelling City to do the first 2 activities of the week. Remember, there are 10 activities total, and I ask you to work on 2 a day so that you finish them on Friday right before you take your test.